The next party we are going to talk about, that is INC, Indian National Congress. This is the one of the oldest party in the world, not only in India, in the world also. And popularly this party is known as the Congress Party, and it was founded in 1885 by Jawaharlal Nehru ji. Jawaharlal Nehru. Okay, the party sought to build a modern, secular, democratic, and republic in India. The ruling party, this party was the ruling party at the center till 1977, and then it came into power in 1980 and remain up to 1989. After the 1989, the support to this party started declining, but it continued to be present throughout the country. The main idea of this party is to promote secularism. Okay, secularism and welfare. Whose welfare? Welfare of the weaker section and the minorities. Next party we are going to talk about, that is NCP, Nationalist Congress Party. Nationalist Congress Party, NCP. When it was formed? It was formed in 1999, and following a split in the Congress Party. This has formed the split in the Congress Party. This supports the democracy, Gandhian secularism, equity, social justice, as well as the federalism. This got the major support from the Maharashtra, Meghalaya, Manipur, and Assam. This a collision partner in the state of Maharashtra in alliance with the Congress, and since 2004 a member of the United Progressive Alliance. Okay, this party is a member. Now let us talk about some state parties. And the Election Commission has classified some parties of the major parties of the country as a state parties. There are also referred as a regional parties also, and parties like our Shiromani Akali Dal, okay, Mizo National Front, Sikkim Democratic Front, Biju Janata Dal. Okay, the parties which are at the state level, all these are the state parties. Next is to talk about the challenges of the political parties. Challenges which are faced by the political parties. First one is the dissatisfaction and the criticism. Popular dissatisfaction and criticism have focused on 4 problems area in the working of political parties. What are that working areas? Lack of internal democracy. Lack of internal democracy. Where? Within the parties. Parties do not keep membership registers, do not hold organizational meetings, and do not conduct internal elections regularly. So there is the lack of internal democracy within the political parties. Do not practice open and transparent procedures. transparent procedures. Most political parties do not practice open and transparent procedures for their functioning. So there are very few ways for the ordinary workers to rise at the top in the party. In many parties, the top positions are always controlled by the members of one family. As in the INC, we can see Indian National Congress, the top position is controlled by the only Gandhi family. No one else is allowed to enter or exit into the to hold the top position. That is the growth of. Next is the growing role of money and muscle power. Growing role of money power as well as the muscle power in the parties, especially during the elections. Since parties are focused only on winning elections, they tend to use the shortcuts to win elections. In some cases, the parties support criminals who can win the elections. Okay, next is do not find meaningful choice. People do not find parties to be a meaningful full choice for their votes. Sometimes people cannot even elect very different leaders, either because the same set of leader keeps shifting from one party to the another. Next is how these were the challenges. Next is about the reforming of parties.